Hello, my name is Simon Dowes from Make It Easy For You. In today's video we're going to talk about rotation lock in the control center. So to access the control center, swipe upwards. The rotation lock is used for locking the device in place. You can keep the iPad in either landscape or portrait. So to turn it on, press on this button. This will turn red. This will mean that the iPad at this current stage will stay in landscape. If I turn it off, I can then move the iPad to portrait. Now the iPad is in portrait mode. Swipe up on the control center. Now I'm going to turn on the rotation lock. This will keep the iPad in its fixed position. So if I try and rotate the iPad into landscape, it will stay in portrait.